Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with my monthly plan with me for the month of September in my Classic Happy Planner. Now, I'm using a kit for the month, and it is from Bella Digital Designs, and this kit is absolutely everything. I love it. I love the colors. They're not that typical orange, brown, and green, so I jump right in and I grabbed the September header there. And of course, I always have to place my pages upside down to line up things just as straight as possible. But something that I've also discovered is with these kits, alignment is definitely key. So I put that on. Oh, look how cute that looks. Yes, I love it. So I grabbed the second piece of that sticker and I lay it down, but I also notice it is covering some of the area into the boxes for days that I need to add headers and things. So you'll see me put it down, then you'll see me rearrange it, and then eventually you're going to see that I just end up folding it up because I noticed that something is just a tad bit off. I'm not sure why, but anyway, I just lay it down and I move on to the right hand side of the page, and I go ahead and lay down the right hand header, which is those beautiful fall florals. They're so cute. So we go in there, and I forget that I need it upside down, put it upside down, and then I line it up right here. So it is cute. Look at it. There is my hair peeking through just a little bit, but it required a lot of concentration and really getting in there to get it straight. Okay, so I am going to begin to put down the date headers, and I'll speed that portion up as it is the most tedious portion of the process. But as you'll see here, I'll go ahead and take that sticker where it appears to be too big, and I'll just fold it up just to ensure that I'm able to get into the other stickers that it's covering up, the other boxes it's covering up right there. So there I am making sure that I had that sticker folded up appropriately, and I'll tell you, it was irritating. It was sticking to everything. But you see me with the mouse there. I jumped back on Etsy to see if there was an example of how the kit looked laid down on Bella Designs Etsy page, and there wasn't, so I decided to go ahead and move forward, and you see it there sticking to the back of that page of stickers. But I continue to lay the dates down with no issue, and I just really love how those mauve numbers or blush colored numbers are going with the remainder of the spread. And then finally I say, you know what, I can't take it anymore. I grab my ruler, and yes, there goes my curls popping in for a little debut. So I grab my ruler and my X-Acto, and I start removing the portions that are hanging over our dates, and then I line it up there on the side as well. And I end up going back and cutting it again because it didn't come up, and when it did, it was a little bit too much. So I laid it back down and then pulled it up exactly where it needed to be. And I lay that Labor Day sticker there on the 3rd and continue to put my date covers down. And I am loving, when I say loving this spread, I'm loving it. I love this kit. Bella Digital Designs, kudos on this one. It's a beautiful, beautiful combination of stickers. And we're just finishing up the dates here. So now that the dates are done, I go back through and I locate another piece of the washi strip that belonged there on the top, and I lay that down, and I start laying down other holidays such as Patriots Day, which is also in the month of September. And I also identified the first day of fall, and of course I want to say foil, but the first day of fall, which is September the 22nd. I lay down coffee stickers on Monday because I enjoy going to Starbucks on Mondays, my paydays, and then you'll see me start to add a little of glitter washi that matched this spread perfectly there in my sidebar, and just my planner stickers there. Like, the stickers honestly were so cute that I just started to fill up this spread. And you guys normally know that my monthly view is so just plain and some washi, but I think this is the way to go. And I think I'm totally going to perhaps look into doing an Etsy kit in my Classic Happy Planner maybe once a month, perhaps. I lay down that gold washi that came with the sticker kit, and I really end up pulling that up because to me it threw everything off, and I thought the orange washi that I had there was just a little bit better. I grabbed some white out there, and I cover up the lines that are on the bottom because they were peeking through the side of that pumpkin decor sticker there on the bottom. So you'll just see me putting down more and more parts of the decor stickers that came with the spread. I think I'm having absolutely too much fun with this. I mean, look, guys, I'm just cutting it up and sticking stickers everywhere, but it's so stinking cute. So after the stickers frenzy that I just experienced, I grabbed my Inkjoy gel pen, black and medium tip, and I start putting my plans down on my spread. And of course, I'm not done with the stickers, guys. I grab a couple of these decor stickers and I use them as icons over there in the goals header and my sidebar, as well as this month's header. And of course, because I can't be done with the stickers, I actually pull up and lay down some additional stickers. So I just wanted to shout out Bella Digital Designs because this kit, like I said before, is absolutely beautiful, and I love the way that it came out. And yeah, this one is a winner. I love it. This is the completed spread for the month of September in my Classic Happy Planner, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. I know typically I'm not this busy, but I couldn't help myself. I mean, there were so many cute stickers, and then I threw down that orange glitter washi, and it just took it over the top. So if you enjoyed this video as much as I had fun doing it, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And guys, have a great and productive month. Ciao, Bella.